Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and today we will discuss about method overloading in Py and Python. So for more videos you can subscribe our channel, right? So what is basically Python does not support basically Python does not support method overriding overloading. Overriding is support but does not support method overloading, right? So let us see with example. Suppose if we take an example, we make a class, my class, and we will create a method. Suppose we create add method and we pass the a and v, two parameters, and return a plus b, right? Now again create one more method, same. In overloading the method name would be same, this name and this name. In this class there are two methods with the same name, right? Again here we pass here pass we will pass three parameters and return a plus b plus c, right? So now we create an object of this class. We create object of this class, my class. So object is created now. So call our method add. So now here we are learning method overloading in Python. So this is our class, my class. There are two methods in this class, add method, but the method name is same, add, right? Here we are passing two parameters, here we are passing three parameters, right? So if we provide here, suppose we provide here a three arguments. So if you run this, then you will see the sum of a plus b plus c. 10 is a, 20 is b, 30 is c, right? So 1 minute, you can use print here so that it would be, you can see the result, right? So now you can see the result 60, right? So what we are doing here, we are passing three parameter arguments, here three parameters, so it is giving the result of this method, right? If we want to, suppose if we want to pass two argument, then this method should be executed. Now let us see, it is giving the error, type error, and it is saying add missing one required position argument c, right? Here it is saying the one argument is missing here. So uh, because Python does not support method overloading, that's why it is ignoring this method and executing this method. So if we provide here 30, then it will be successfully executed, right? So it is ignoring this method but executing this method. If we do not provide any value here, now what will happen? the then there is error, right? Because this is here, this method is executing, this method is not executing. That's why Python does not support method overloading, right? One more thing I want to tell you. So if you remove this, okay, and if we want to suppose, if we want to use here Python, if you want to use method overloading, how can you use, right? See, none, see, none, and if a not equals to none and b not equals to none and c not equals to none, right? Then return, suppose return, we use, suppose यहाँ पर suppose we use s equals to a plus b plus c, okay. Now and return s. Suppose I execute this statement, what will happen? And you have to provide 10, 20, 30. Now run this. 1 minute. Yes, colon is required here. So now 1 minute. Return, sorry, here it is s. This should be s, right? So now you can see result is 60. So if we provide again here two arguments, then it is giving the error, right? So what will we can do here, actually we can use else if we can specify these two here we can use, right? Then colon, then again s equals to a plus b, right? And the return s. So in this case, now again run this, now it will be successfully executed. You can see the result, that is 30, right? So now if you provide three arguments here, then it will execute this if condition will execute it. If you provide only two arguments, then else if condition will execute, right? And you can also use else provide at least two numbers, right? So suppose if we do not provide, suppose if we provide only 10, then what will happen in this case? In this case else condition will execute. Now run this, you can see. So else condition is executing because we are providing 1. Here what is saying, provide at least two numbers. If you do not provide any number, then it also else condition will execute. If you provide two number, then this else if condition will execute. You can see 30, right? And if you provide three arguments, then this if condition will be execute, that is 60. So basically Python does not support method overloading, but in this way you can use the method, right? You can use the same method, right? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. We will meet in next video. Thank you.